Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm here to talk to you about tow truck insurance quotes and how Elite Business Insurance could help you out, save you money in all avenues of insurance. We're a full-service independent agency, so basically what we do is we specialize in the tow truck risk. A lot of truckers, a lot of commercial auto cargo coverage goes throughout this agency of Elite Business Insurance. So give us a call. If you're currently in business, if you've been in business for a while, or if you're just starting up, we could help you out. We'll make sure that you're covered sufficiently. For a tow company, you're going to need a number of different coverages. If you have a garage or a lot that you're going to be storing vehicles in, then that would be a garage keeper's liability or garage liability policy to cover you for the liability exposure in case anybody gets injured in that work area. To actually tow the vehicles, you're going to need a commercial auto policy, which would cover your vehicle for liability in the case that you got into an accident, if you injured somebody, if you damaged somebody's property while driving the tow truck. While you're hooked up to the vehicle that you're towing, depending on what kind of tow truck you have. If you have a wrecker, it would be considered an on-hook towing risk, where once the vehicle is hooked up to your tow truck, you're going to need on-hook towing coverage in order to cover the actual cash value of that vehicle that's hooked up to the tow truck in case something happens to it. So in case it's hooked up incorrectly, it falls off the tow truck. In case you get into an accident and the vehicle gets smashed up by being on the back of your truck. That's what on-hook towing coverage would cover you for. If you have a flatbed tow truck or some sort of a dolly that you're actually driving the vehicles on, then you actually wouldn't be considered a towing risk anymore. You would be classified as an auto hauler. And as an auto hauler, you would need cargo coverage. And cargo would be similar to on-hook towing, but since you're not actually hooked up to the tow truck, you're actually just laying on a bed, it's considered cargo instead of on-hook towing. So general liability is another coverage which some people require if you're working for an auto club. In particular, they might require that you have a garage liability or general liability insurance. And what that would cover you for is minor coverages for in the case that somebody gets injured in your work area other than an employee. Somebody say you put a hammer on the ground or something and someone trips over it, that's what general liability would cover you for. So your main coverages for the tow company are going to be commercial auto, on-hook towing or cargo. If you have a garage, you're going to need garage keeper's liability, garage liability for the liability exposure in case somebody gets injured. And then if you have multiple employees or even one employee and you want workers' comp insurance, then that would be rated off of payroll. So your annual payroll for the truckers, for your employees, that's how workers' comp would be rated. So at Elite Business Insurance, we're a full-service independent agency. We take your information, we shop it around through all our hundreds of markets, thousands of markets throughout the United States, and we try to find you the best coverage for the best price. So give us a call. Let us know what you need. Let us know what kind of towing you're doing. If you're doing any repossessions, if you're working for auto clubs, if you're doing auto hauling for auctions and dealerships, whatever it may be, we can make sure that you're covered correctly and we can get you the best price out there. So give us a call if you are in the market, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.